So guys, this process that I will show you will work on all of the application on your device. So guys, first thing that you need to do is go to the Google Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of the application. So search for a music streaming app and then click on the application. And then from here, guys, you should be able to update your application when it have an update. And guys, the second option that you have is go to the settings and click on apps. And then from the apps, guys, from here you will see all of the installed application inside your device. And guys, just find the music streaming app. And then from here, tap on it and then go to storage. And from here, clear cache and also clear the data, and this should be able to fix your problem. And guys, the third option that you have is try reinstalling the application. So guys, just uninstall the app, and then after it is done uninstalling, just go back to the Google Play Store and try installing it again. And from there, you should be able to have a working application. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!